Asset inspections are the backbone of grid reliability, but our grid is aging and the crews doing these inspections are retiring fast. Hurricanes and fires are on the rise, and with energy demand at an all-time high, the grid isn't getting smaller. Manual inspections take time, cost money, and can miss critical details. Many utilities know it's not sustainable, but aren't sure where to start with drone technology. Drone Harmony Asset Inspector is a complete turnkey inspection solution, empowering organizations to launch a world-class drone inspection program from day one with just a single drone. The system scales seamlessly as your needs grow. From field to office, your data is organized, visual, and actionable. Inspections get faster, maintenance gets smarter. It's more than merely acquiring drones. With Drone Harmony, you elevate your inspection process to a whole new level.